You can't hear it yet, but 2% of the world hears it 24 hours a day. A sound with no source, no escape. And for some, it never stops.
It began in 1977 in Bristol, England. Residents described a low, throbbing noise like a diesel engine idling half a mile away. But there were no engines, no factories, just the sound. It followed them indoors, through walls, into their beds. Sleep vanished. Then came the headaches, the anxiety, the crushing weight of a noise with no end. By 1982, doctors noted a spike in severe insomnia and mental distress in hum-affected neighborhoods. In 1991, it appeared in Taos, New Mexico. Over 400 people reported the same sound. The U.S. government sent scientists with $1 million in equipment. They found nothing. No source, no frequency, just the hum. In 1998, Largs, Australia, called it the wave. One resident wrote in a local paper, "It's not in my ears, it's in my bones." Many described feeling trapped inside their own minds with no relief. Some left notes simply saying, "Make it stop."
The hum isn't tinnitus. Tinnitus is high-pitched ringing. The hum is low frequency, between 32 and 80 hertz, below the threshold of normal hearing. Yet 2 to 4% of people hear it clearly. Why? No one knows. But brain scans show their auditory cortex lights up as if a real sound is playing. The WHO studied it in 2022. They confirmed no external source has ever been found. It's not psychological, it's neurological, and it's linked to debilitating insomnia, anxiety, and a profound sense of isolation. Worse, it never stops. Not in soundproof rooms, not underground, not with earplugs, because for those who hear it, the hum isn't outside, it's inside.
In Windsor, Canada, from 2011 to 2019, residents described sleepless months, panic attacks, and a feeling of being mentally unraveled by the constant noise. One journal entry read, "I haven't slept in 11 months. The noise won't let me." In Auckland, New Zealand, in 2020, a woman moved 300 miles to escape it. She called her new home quiet. But within a week, she recorded a voice memo. "It's back. It's in the walls. It's in my teeth." She later wrote, "I feel like I'm losing myself." In Portland, Oregon, in 2023, a Reddit thread titled, "Who Else Hears the Hum?" exploded. Over 12,000 replies. The top comment, "I'm at the edge of my mind. If you can hear this, you understand." The hum doesn't just disturb sleep. It erodes the mind until silence feels like the only peace.
If you've ever heard a low hum with no source, or felt a vibration in silence, you're not alone. Comment, "I hear it," if you know the sound, or silence if you're grateful you don't. Your words help others feel less alone. If you believe some sounds should never be heard, tap subscribe. New mysteries drop every week because the hum is still playing.